All right, let's get started with example 4, which is an art history application. What this states is the figure shows part of a tile floor. So right here, this design is just part of a tile floor. Write a rule for the translation of hexagon 1 to hexagon 2. Okay, so this is where we start, and this is where we're starting here with hexagon 1, and we're ending with hexagon 2, and we have to write that translation rule, okay? So remember, the translation rule, it starts with X and Y, right? And then it goes to X, and then X changes. So to figure out what this rule is, we start here with 1 and we end at 2. What we're going to do is we're just going to pick a point on this figure. And so we're going to go ahead and pick this point right here, A, right on the vertex of this hexagon. Okay, so this is our point. And then we're going to pick that same point over here in 2, right? This is the farthest point on the right. So we're going to pick out of 2, the farthest point on the right is right here, and then we're going to call that A prime. So we're going to start here, and we're going to end there. This is our pre-image, this is our image. So what we want to know is what is the horizontal change from A to A prime? What are we doing? We're starting here, and we're going in the negative direction 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you see that, right at 3, it's going 1, 2, 3 in the negative direction. So what we would say is we'd say X minus 3, comma, and then we're going to talk about the Y part. And what's happening with the Y part? Well, for A, we're right here, right? And then we go to A prime, it goes up. Well, how far up does it go? So for here, right, this is A, it's going to go up 1, 2, and right there we're at the same height. So 1, 2, it's in the positive direction, so it's going to be Y plus 2. And that's going to be our translation rule. That is the answer to the problem. All right, let's go ahead and practice this again. So it says use the diagram to write a rule for the translation of square 1 to square 3. So we're starting here. This is our pre-image. We're ending here. This is our image. And what we want to do is we want to pick a vertice which is the same in the same location. So here for this square, we're picking the lowest point right there. That's A. And the lowest point on this square, we're going to do that same point. That's going to be the A prime. So remember, our translation rule is X, Y, and then it translates to X, and we have to figure out what the X change is. So we're starting here, and we're going this way, right, in a negative direction. Well, how much? We start here and we go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we're lined up with A prime. So that's in a negative direction 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be X, negative 4, and then, from here, you're going down in the negative direction again. So how many do we go down? 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we're at our A prime. So it would be Y minus 4. So that would be the translation rule for this particular problem. All right, that's it for section chapter 1, lesson 7. That's it. If you have any questions, we can talk about it in class. All right, see you soon. Bye.